Assalamualaikum friends. Today we are going to discuss an example related to the relativistic momentum and energy. Friends, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the relation between the total energy, rest energy and momentum, which was equal to m naught square c4 plus p square c square under root. This equation we have discussed in the previous lecture. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss an example related to this equation. According to this example, an electron of rest mass is equal to 0.511 MeV per c square and a photon of rest mass is equal to 0. Both have momenta of 2 MeV per c. Find the total energy of each. So it says that we have an electron whose rest mass is equal to 0.511 and we have a photon whose rest mass is equal to 0, and both electron and photon has momenta of 2 MeV per c. We have to find the total energy of electron and total energy of photon. So to find out the total energy of each one, we have to use this equation. If I give the name to this equation 1. So according to this example, the given data is m naught, yani rest mass of electron is equal to 0.511 MeV c square, and rest mass of photon is equal to 0, and both have momentum is equal to 2 MeV c. It means that momentum of electron is 2 MeV per c and momentum of photon is also equal to 2. So we have to find the total energy of each one. So first we have to find the total energy of electron. For this we have to use the equation 1. So we need to put the values in equation 1. Then we will get E is equal to under root. The value of m naught for electron is equal to 0.511 MeV c square, and it is m naught square, so this will become equal to square, and c4 plus the value of p is 2 MeV per c. This is square and we will get square here. So if we look at this equation, this is c square and this is whole square. So it means that this one is c4 and this is also c4. So this and this will cancel, and also if we look at this term, this is c whole square. So this is c square and c square, this will cancel, and after that we will get E is equal to 0.511 MeV whole square plus 2 MeV whole square and under root. So after adding these terms, we will get E is equal to 2.064 MeV. So it means that the total energy of electron is equal to 2.06 MeV. Now we have to find the total energy of photon. For this we have to use this equation 1. In this equation we have given that the rest mass of photon is equal to 0. So this term will become equal to 0 and we will left only p square and c square. So I can write the equation 1 as E is equal to under root p square c square, or I can write it like this, p and c. So I have to put the value in this equation. The value of P is 2MeV into C. So this C and this C will cancel. So we will get E is equal to 2MeV. So the energy of photon is equal to 2MeV and the energy of electron is equal to 2.064 MeV. So this is something about this example which is related to this equation which we have discussed in the previous lecture. Thank you.